some people are like, well, you're only 28, so why are you doing this? Because, girl, when I get to 40, I want to be looking poppin'. I want to be looking like the new 30. So I think anti-aging starts from now. And when this product came through my door, I was like, okay, let me try this product. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about Radara, but before we get into the video, have you subscribed to my channel? I do videos on Sunday, Tuesday and Wednesday, although the next 2 weeks I'm probably going to add some videos on Saturday and Monday just because I have a little bit more content to put out. But I feel like I've been talking for so long. Like, have you actually subscribed to my channel? I think you have, so let's get into the video. So Radara is a brand which is a luxury targeted skincare company. This is a patented, innovative, micro-challenging technology. They've got these eye serum patches, and instead of using injections, this is kind of like a non-invasive, injection-free technique which basically targets the area of your eyes, and within 4 weeks you're going to see a result. And it's just a unique approach to skincare, and because it has those kind of deep grooves that seep into the under eye, the hyaluronic acid actually penetrates the under eye and works from within, getting to the deep layers of the skin where it's needed the most. And these patches aid in correcting fine lines and wrinkles. So the reason why I'm telling you how to use this is sometimes, like, obviously when you want to do like skincare, you can't really afford it, or you don't really want people intruding your space, you can do this, and you can literally do this at home. So some people are like, well, you're only 28, so why are you doing this? Because, girl, when I get to 40, I want to be looking poppin'. I want to be looking like the new 30. So I think anti-aging starts from now. And when this product came through my door, I was like, okay, let me try this product. So I'm just going to show you how to use the product, and then afterwards I'm going to tell you my final thoughts. Okay, so they say step 1 is to cleanse the eye area thoroughly, so that is what I'm going to do. And step 2 is to put the patch on, and it's very self-explanatory because you've got the left and you've got the right patch. But I'm just going to place the left patch on the eye, and then I'm going to place the right patch underneath my eye as well. And you're just meant to place them both underneath the eye, pressing them down. You're going to feel like a sensation. It does feel like small little needles are pricking into my eye. It's not painful, it's just like, it's a little bit uncomfortable. So you're meant to do this for 5 seconds. I think it's been longer than 5 seconds, but... So we're gonna place these back into the packaging, like so. I'm not gonna lie, it is a little bit painful. And then we're gonna take the rejuvenating eye serum, just gonna place some on my finger, and then I'm just gonna put it just underneath the eyes. I kind of like this serum, it's kind of like cooling. And then we're going to repeat step 3, so we're going to take the left patch and stick it back underneath the eye, and the right patch underneath the eye, and just gonna smooth that in and make sure that's got everything. And we're simply going to leave it on for 5 minutes. Sorry for the cracked screen. My phone is not popping anymore, but we're just going to wait 5 minutes for this just to allow it to soak in, and literally I need to be revived in 5. Okay guys, so the 5 minutes is up. It's going to stop the timer before my phone just keeps on going on and on and on, and I hate that. So we're just going to take this off. Oh. Woo! And take the other side off, and you're just going to disperse of those and just wipe leftover serum. Okay, there's a lot going on with my face now that I've taken off these patches. So what I'm going to do, I feel like there's white stuff all over my face. I'm just going to moisturize my face, put on my makeup, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about this product. Sorry guys, I was feeling a little bit weird without my makeup, so I just thought, let me just do my makeup. I ended up doing a makeup tutorial in the midst of it. Okay guys, so you've seen how I tried and tested the product. Just want to talk about the product more in depth and what I think about it. So when I put the patch initially on, it does say it does press down into the pores. I think the little grooves actually stick to your under eye and sink into your under eye, that way the eye serum can seep in. But it did kind of prickle my eye, but I could feel it working, and as soon as I took the patches off, you could also see like there was some residue, you could see it working. My eyes felt a little bit lifted. So I just feel like these are the type of things that one should be doing to ensure that the anti-aging process is not a quick one. So you can use this once per day, and I would recommend using it as part of your nighttime routine. They say once a day, but I feel sometimes with stuff like this, I like to use it every couple of days. I think if already you have started to get wrinkles and fine lines, I would then be using it every day. But since I only have a small fraction of fine lines, I'll be using it maybe every 3 days. What I love about doing my nighttime routine is sometimes an hour before I go to bed, if I'm watching TV or tidying my room or listening to music, I like to start my routine. So you can like pop these patches on and then literally rip them off in 5 minutes. But yeah, it's crazy how in 5 minutes you can already feel the difference and you can already feel it working. But that's all, guys. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. You can share it. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and I will try and find the link of where you can buy this product from and also leave it in the description box below. I guess I'll see you in another video, guys, and remember to always stay bougie.